Bitcoin is absolutely going to explode this year. Being positioned properly ahead of time makes the difference between, just being involved and seeing life-changing profits, right? So working with Marius, our team has seen hundreds of percent growth, not just 10, 20, 30 over a year, which is incredible and unheard of in the stock markets. We're talking 300% in 3 months, right? And that's not giving up control of your crypto, not depending on anyone else. That's trading for yourself, right? So here at Simple, we want to position you for success. That's not just buying Bitcoin. It's knowing what to do with it, how to hang on to it securely, and make sure that you're protected. It's an asset, just like gold or silver. You want to make sure that, someone can't steal it from you, right? So our only requirement to get involved in the inner circle is to set up a free Python Signals account. So I'll introduce you to Marius here in a few seconds, but the idea behind that isn't some, sales pitch. It is the best way to get educated, to get started. So you can get your Bitcoin, you can get your wallet set up, make sure that you're safe and secure, and then when you're ready, there are more advanced methods to grow your Bitcoin. So these are small moves that you can make daily, weekly, monthly that positions you for greater growth in the long term. So I'll let Marius explain what we're working with here. There is a lot of additional support that we provide in the inner circle, but just give me a few minutes and I'll come back after this clip and explain what you get with your membership inside SOWE Inner Circle.
Good day, folks. This is Marius Landman, and I'm quickly going to go through Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash. This is a promotion for Python Signals, and at the end, I'm going to show you how you can get access to our reports on a daily basis, also access to a blog post. This is Bitcoin, and Bitcoin consists of this indicator, which is BTC, which stands for Bitcoin. In our algorithm data, what I do, I use a mathematical algorithm equation, which is this brown line that you see going upwards here. I also use a Python X indicator. I also use a MS52 indicator, which is this green line here on the bottom. And I also use that orange line, which is a 3B algorithm mathematical equation. And we also use this 2B mathematical algorithm equation to figure out where Bitcoin is going to go. Now on 15 December 2018, we called a low in Bitcoin, and we said to our subscribers that you can get back into the market, and we recommended that risk-averse investors can start buying. We bought Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and a whole bunch of other cryptos. And so far, some people are up between 200 and 400%. Now guys, if you want to know what is in the blue box, you need to get hold of somebody in Python Signals so that we can show you what's going to happen. Litecoin has got this same indicator, which is the Python y-axis, and that Python y-axis, guys, is a very, very important axis to take note of. You can see that here right at the bottom now, at the end of that Python y-axis, you can see that it's actually starting to drop and dip slightly. But we've also got this one here, which is the 22 MAE. We use the Python y-axis, the 2B algorithm mathematical equation, this pink one. And you can see that this green line just turned across or just jumped over the 3B algorithm mathematical equation, which is this one here. If you want to know what is behind this blue screen, you need to get hold of a Python Signals member.
I just want to dive through Python Signals and why it is so crucial to your success and positioning yourself for success in 2019 and onward. So as you can see, we have quite the call record. This works out to about 97% accuracy, success rate, as well as you break down into the team, what you get, and some testimonials. So I'm actually going to dive right into the back office here. I want to show you exactly what you're getting. Obviously, you can set up a free account right off the hop. There's no need to upgrade. This is a upgraded account, and I'll explain the difference here in a second. So as you can see, we've got a nice breakdown, Python signals presentation, live weekly webinars, and the South Africa tour. So these are live calls that come with the upgraded membership. But as a free member, you can come in here and get into some of these videos. So introduction to crypto trading, the psychology, key terms, wallet and security, how to set up TradingView, Binance, and farming coins. So this is all free information that comes with a free account, right? We want to make sure that you understand what you're getting into before you even open up your Bitcoin wallet, right? So this isn't a big sales pitch. There's platforms and programs out there that are literally 3 or 4 times the cost, and they can't even come close to comparing the results, right? So once you do get your account, if you want to upgrade, there are some major benefits. So the first being this download section. So you can come in, check out the reports, right? These are all dated. You can go back as far as you want, right? 2018, and really verify exactly what the calls have been. If you have any questions, concerns, think that we're lying about our results, or just want to prove for yourself the accuracy, you can go through and download everything, right? So I'm going to grab an older report here and just show you the details. So you can watch me download it. This isn't fake. Try that again. My face is in the way. So Marius goes through high detail, exactly how he makes the calls, right? Exactly what he's using for tools. And we get a really solid breakdown for what he's looking at for price targets, right? So the high target percentage, the exact dollar figure, as well as the crypto coins that he picks to really add and multiply and grow his portfolio. So I come in, I read the reports, I plan my portfolio around what he's doing, short, mid, and long term, and it allows me to go about my day freely. So it's not just the top 40 reports, but that's the main one that I want to touch in the downloads. There's a lot more, obviously, you can see, but it's the timing blog reports, right? So this was just this morning, yesterday after the dump, depending on when you're watching this video, there was a 25% drop in the markets yesterday. So we knew about those 2 weeks ago and had buy orders in place in preparation, and those orders were filled, right? So rather than taking a 25% hit, obviously some, I didn't park all my funds, but I had the buy orders in. So we weren't sure about how it was going to come back, but this really gives you the opportunity to position yourself for success, right? So we can come in, see all the information, great, really high accuracy on what he's looking for, the trends that he's following, and a real good breakdown. So you can see a lot of people are happy, they love the results, and it's making a big difference. So there are other opportunities available if you're a networker, but I'm not going to dive through that in this video. But the other thing that makes a big difference is the weekly live calls. So you can hop on with us. Marius is answering questions, diving through the strategy, diving through the technical analysis, and answering questions on different coins. So I want to keep this video short. We can dive into the details in some following videos, but that's it for this video. So set up your free account, hit me up with any questions. Obviously there are some advantages to the paid account, timely reports, the downloads, the top 40 crypto reports, the live calls, but I'm not here to convince you, right? If it makes sense, great. If not, no big deal. So just a little heads up, I made one trade here. As actually Marius came on within 4 hours, he called an emergency call. 4 hours later, we saw a massive drop in the markets, and I had parked my funds accordingly and came in with an extra 20% coin on top because of that. But again, not here to convince you. One trade I paid for 3 years worth of subscriptions, but hey, that's not for everybody, right? So see you in the next video. Have a great day, and I'll chat with you soon. So as you can see, this is really powerful stuff, but you don't want to get into it on your own. There is no doubt in my mind that this is the best platform out there for you to learn how to get involved with Bitcoin. So what I'd like you to do is click the button below. It'll ask for your name and your email to get you signed up. You'll get a welcome email, steps to getting inside the inner circle, as well as all the added bonuses, right? So you'll be able to book your strategy session with me or one of our other coaches here at Simple, and we'll get you started on the path to success today.